a new numbers which we used to call Roman numerals, and we are using here some English letters. You can see these are the English letters. Now what you used to call it? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. And these letters you have found in some clock also. In the clock also we used to write these letters. Now with the help of this letter you are writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in the clock. You have seen in the clock. And in your class also, you have seen your class name is written class 3. Is it written like that, class 3? No, no. It is written like this. Or class 4 is written like this. Like this only now. So we are using these Roman numerals. But it is not, we are using it, it is not very much useful for us. But it looks beautiful. That's why we are using it. Otherwise all the calculation we are doing with the Arabic numbers only. Now children, today we will learn about these numbers. Here we are using the how many letters? 7 letters of English alphabets. To write the Roman numerals, how many numbers is there? You can see over there. Many numbers is there now. So write these numbers only we are using 7 letters of English alphabets. And 0 we can't able to write in Roman numerals. Okay, 0 we can't write. And you see, I denotes 1. The value of I is 1. V denotes 5. X denotes 10. L 50. C 100. D 500 and M 1000. You have to learn, okay? Only 7 letters you have to learn which letter denotes which number, okay? Which value. So you have to only know that I denotes 1. I is equal to 1. V is equal to 5. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. That much only you have to learn. Very easy work for you. Okay, after knowing these letters, okay, we can write all the numbers of only except 0 we can write any of the number, okay. Only 0 we can't able to write in a Roman numerals. Otherwise all the numbers we can able to write. Now children, when we can repeat the number, and we can like that. If I have to write 1, I will write I 1 time. If I have to write 2, then I will write I 2 times. Means we can repeat this number. And repetition means addition only. Like that, if I will do like this, I, how many I is there? 3 I is there. So it will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 I denote 1 value, so here it is 3. Similarly, we can repeat, and you have to please stick it which number you can repeat and which number you can't repeat. We can repeat only I, X, C. Okay, these number only we can repeat. We can't repeat this V, L and D. Only we can repeat I, X, C and M. Okay? And you are repeating this number, but you can't repeat more than 3 times. Only 3 times you can repeat this number to writing any number. Like that, if you are repeating I, you can repeat only 3 times, not more than that. You can't write I 4 times for writing 4. So there is a rule, you can repeat this number I, X, C and M, but only 3 times. For example, here maximum time I will show how much time we are repeating. X also we can repeat only 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1x is equal to 10, 2x is equal to 20, so 3x is equal to 30. Okay. Similarly, C we can repeat only 3 times. 1 C is equal to 100, 2 C is equal to 200, so 3 C is equal to 300. Similarly, M also we can repeat 3 times. 1 M is equal to 1000, 2 is 2000 and 3 is 3000. So here it is 3000. Okay children? So we can repeat only I, X, C and M, but how many times? Maximum 3 times, not more than that. We can repeat 2 times, we can repeat 3 times, but not 4 times, 5 times, 6 times we can repeat. Okay, maximum is that much only. So you can see we can write 330, 300 and 3000 like this by repetition. Second rule is this. We can subtract I from V and 10. We can subtract this I from V and 10 and we can write the number. If we are writing I left hand side of V or 10, that means we are subtracting from the larger number. And if I am writing in a right hand side, that means we are adding with the larger number. So we can add and subtract I in V and 10 only, not in L, C, D, M. Only in these two numbers, okay? Only with the 5 and 10. So you see example, when we are writing this I left hand side of the 5, what I said, left hand side, that means we are going to subtract it. It will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So you can see 1 I have written by writing 1 I, 2 I have written by writing 2 I, 3 by the 3 I, and then 4 we are writing like this. This is 4. You want to write 6, then you will add it. It is 6, 5 plus 1, it will be 6, okay? Then when you have to write 7, you will add 2 times. Here only 1 I have written, then here is 2 I, so it will be 7. And then you want to write 8, you will write I 3 times, 1, 2, 3. That will be 8. But when you have to write 9, what you will do? You will write I 4 times. No, we can repeat I only 3 times now, not more than that. For writing 9, we have to think something else. If I will subtract 1 from 10, it will be 9 now. So 9 we can write like this. We will write I in the left hand side of 10. That will be 9. It's okay? So you can see 1 we have written by writing 1 time I, 2 we have written by writing 2 times I, 3 by 3 times I, 4 like this I and V, because when we are writing in the left hand side, that means we are subtracting 5 minus 1, it will be 4, 6, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, and here 10 minus 1 is 9. 11 how you will write? I think you are very smart, you know. Here we have to add 1. Here we are subtracting 1 from 10. For writing 11, we have to add 1 to 10. So 11 we will write like this. Okay. 12 we will write like this. This is 12, 2 times. 13 again, 3 times. This is 13. And then 14. 14, for 14 you will, what you will do? 10 plus 4. It is 4 now. So we can write like that, 10 plus 4, this is 14. 15 you will write 10 plus xv, that is 10 plus 5. 16 you will write 10 plus vi, means 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus v2 times I, that is 10 plus 7, 17. Only x in front of it you will write, it will become 16, 17, 18, it will be 19, and for 20 you know 2 times x will write. Again from 21, same thing, only in front of 1 you have to write 20, that will be 21, similarly 22, 23 like this you will write. Same. Now till 30 you know, 31, 32, 33 like this only you will write, only with the 30 you have to add 1. For writing 31 what you will do? Only you are adding 1 with the 30 like that, 1, 2, 3, 30 is there, only you are adding 1 here, it will be 31. So these things till 39 you can write. But for 40 what you will do? For 40 again what we are doing? For writing 40, we can subtract 10 from 50. So children, you have learned that I we can subtract from V and X. Now 10 we can subtract from L and C. Okay, this 10 we can subtract from L and C only. It's okay? Understood? So if I will subtract 10 from 50, I will get 40. So for writing 40, simply we will write like that XL. It is 50 minus 10, that is 40. For writing 90, what I will do? I will subtract from 100. We can subtract 10 from 100 now. So it will be XC, means 100 minus 10, that will be 90. 60, you will think how you will write 50, you can write L. For 60 you can write L plus X, that will be 60. For 70 you will write L plus 2X, that will be 70. For 80 you will write L plus 3X, that will be 80. And then for 90 you will subtract from 100. Similarly 110 you will add 1x, like that you can, if you know the rule, some rule you can do anything. So again I am discussing some here rule, please listen it. Example I have shown already, so only I am discussing some rule here. Please listen what is the rule. First we have to learn these 7 letters, which letter stand for what value. I stand for 1, V stand for 5, X stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500 and M stand for 1000. After this, you can write, you will know this, that you can write any of the number by the repetition of these numbers. But there is a rule, only we can repeat this number, this number, this number, this number, means alternatively you can see 1, 10, 100 and 1000 we are repeating. We are not repeating 5, 50 and 500. Okay? We are not repeating these numbers. We can't repeat 5, 50 and 500. Only we are repeating 1, 10 and 100 and 1000 number. That means I, X, C and M. You understand these things? Now third rule is this, that these numbers we can repeat only 3 times, not more than that. So how many times we have to repeat? 3 times. It is not allowed to repeat more than that. We can't repeat 4 or 5 times, only 3 times maximum we can repeat this number to write any number. Now then again how to write? By adding or subtracting, by some combination we can write another number. For example, when we have to write 4, we will subtract 1 from 5, that is 4 only. So the next rule is this, that when the smaller number is written before larger number, that number are subtracted from the larger number. Not larger number is added to the smaller number. Always smaller number we used to subtract from the larger number when it is written in left hand side. Okay? When the smaller number is written in the left hand side of the larger number, it means we have to subtract the smaller number from larger number. That also I have shown, that if we are writing like this 1 and B, so we are subtracting it from bigger number. You can see larger, we are subtracting from larger. V and X. Finish. Now X can be subtracted from L and C. Okay? Finish. X can be subtracted from, means which number is repeated, that number can only we can subtract. Those number only we can subtract which number we are repeating. So we are repeating these numbers. These numbers only we are subtracting from the bigger number, but there is also rule that I can be subtracted from B and X can be subtracted from N and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. Clear to you? So like that you can write any of the numbers. Here I am showing in your example that X can be subtracted from L and C. You can see here it is 40 and here it is 90. C can be subtracted from D and M. CD, it will be 400 and CM, it will be 900. This much you understood? Now next rule is that when we are writing any number in the right hand side, then that number is added. If X is written, here X is written in the left hand side of L. When I will write in the right hand side, then I will add. And it will become 50 plus, it will be 50 plus 10 and that will be 60. Understood? When the smaller number is written in the right hand side of the bigger number, then that number we used to add. And in left hand side, then we are subtracting from the bigger number. And you can see here these numbers are neither we are subtracting from any number, neither we are repeating, nor we are subtracting, neither we are repeating. If you will memorize this rule and you will practice this rule, you can write any types of Roman numerals. I am giving you some example here. For example, if it is given you to write the Roman numerals of 34, what you will do? You will write 30 plus 4, it is 30 plus 4 now. 30 you know how to write. X we are repeating 3 times, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, it will be 30. It is 30 and then 4 we are doing 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it will be I, V. So it is only 34. Clear to you? 37 how you will write? 30 and then it will be 7, that is 37. So children, similarly you can write any of the number, and if it is said you have to compare this. You compare this. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? You can compare now which one is greater. It is 10 plus 9, 19 and it is 30. So 30 is greater than 19. So you can do any type of problem by knowing these rules and by practicing these things. Thank you children.